Why does the HTML from name attribute matter for data? Imagine filling out a form on a website and hitting submit. Have you ever wondered how the website knows which information is which? That's where the from name attribute comes into play. It might seem small, but it has a big role in how your data gets organized and understood. When you type your email or select a checkbox, the browser creates pairs of names and values. The name attribute is like the label on a jar, telling the server what kind of data it is receiving. Without it, your input could get lost or mixed up. Think of a form as a container holding different pieces of information like your name, email, or choices. Each input inside that container should have a name attribute. When you submit the form, the browser sends all the data as pairs like name equals value. For example, if you type in your email and the input has a name of email, the data sent will be email is equal to user@example.com. If you forget to add the name, that piece of information just won't be sent at all. The server won't know what it was, so it can't process it. The form element itself can also have a name attribute. This helps when you want to target the entire form with JavaScript. For example, if you want to check if all fields are filled or change something dynamically, giving your form a name makes it easier to find and work with. If you have more than one form on a page, naming each one helps you tell them apart. It's like giving each a unique id so your scripts know exactly which form to interact with. For beginners, understanding this is key. The name attribute links what the user inputs to a specific label that the server or script can recognize. It groups related inputs like radio buttons, so only one option can be selected from a set. It also makes it simple for JavaScript to find and change from elements by their names. When you submit a form, the server receives data in a neat, organized way. This makes storing, analyzing, or responding to user input much easier. Without the name attribute, from data can't be properly collected or distinguished. That's why it's a fundamental part of creating functional web pages with forms. Knowing how to use the name attribute correctly helps you build forms that work smoothly and reliably. It's a simple step that makes a big difference in how your website handles user information.